Since the Industrial Revolution, the average temperature of the Earth has risen significantly due to the rapid increase in carbon emissions. California's Death Valley area in the United States was soaring to 54 degrees Celsius, and glaciers were melting 57% faster than 30 years ago. The seriousness emerged due to rising sea levels, glaciers, increasing abnormal climates, and destroying the ecosystem. Carbon neutrality means net zero emissions to increase absorption by the amount of greenhouse gas generated by companies or individuals. Since the Paris Agreement, which took effect in 2016, countries around the world have announced strategies for promoting carbon neutrality. Recently, however, the International Energy Agency ordered countries to expand the utilization of nuclear energy, including renewable energy, to achieve carbon neutrality. So, why nuclear energy? The reasons are that nuclear energy does not emit greenhouse gases, and unlike wind or solar power generation, it can provide stable power. In addition, there is high space utilization and power supply efficiency with current technology, and has effective energy security for the country's energy independence. Therefore, the United States and some of the Eastern European countries recognize nuclear energy as clean energy along with solar and wind energy, and are working on a nuclear power plant construction project to utilize it as a power source for carbon neutrality. According to the current status of power generation by energy sources in Korea, nuclear energy accounts for a large portion of about 30%. In addition, power consumption in Korea is expected to continue to increase because it has a high proportion of manufacturing industries with high power consumption, such as steel, chemicals, and semiconductors. However, Korea is currently carrying out a nuclear power plant policy that reduces the proportion of nuclear power generation by up to 1 of 5. The reason for the nuclear power plant policy is the problem of treating radioactive waste and securing safety. However, if nuclear power generation is reduced at this point, the use of fossil fuels will increase due to the limitation of power generation efficiency of new and renewable energy. Nuclear energy is the only energy that produces a very small amount of carbon, while having more power generation efficiency than fossil fuels. Therefore, in order to achieve the global energy conversion trend and the greenhouse gas reduction goals from NDC, which was recently raised, continuous research and active discussions should continue to ensure nuclear power, safety, and accept nuclear energy as alternative energy.